Good morning. I'm out with a friend from California today, Greg. And Greg's got him a brand new metal detector. That would be the GPX 6000. And he's recovering one of his first targets with it. Hopefully we'll get some gold today. Beautiful day, other than humidity. We had some rain, so it's pretty nasty today. It gets humid here and hot. It's kind of miserable. But anyway, we're out hunting today, and we're going to try for some nuggets with the Minelab's newest offering. And hopefully we'll both get over one or two today. We're in a pretty good spot. We're on a club claim. And this is where I got that 1.8 grammer the other day. So hopefully we'll get over something in here. A lot of targets left here. And when there's a lot of targets, trash or not, there's always gold mixed in with them. So we're going to get at it here and see what we can't do. And I brought him out to train him on his brand new machine, but he's been detecting for a while, so he knows the ropes. And this thing's so easy to train somebody on, it's ridiculous. And hopefully he's got a nugget over there right now. We'll see in a minute. If it's gold, you'll look up and you'll know.
Small. Whatever it is small.
Yeah, it'll sure hear some small stuff. It also hears big stuff at depth. And I hear people saying online, like we were talking about earlier, well, you know, it's just that a lot of us haven't been able to get out to where bigger gold is found. And what was it? BB?
Yep.
How deep was that?
It was about an inch, maybe, if that.
A little shotgun pellet.
Yep.
We dig a lot of those. All right. Well, I'm going to go get my machine. We're going to go get some gold, or try to. All righty. We got a target right in here. Right in there. Got a little rain last night, so you can see it's wet on top and dry below. Sometimes that can bother a detector a little, but it doesn't seem to bother this one. Okay, it's still down there. Now we're into the dry dirt. That sounded too shabby. I generally like them when they're a little deeper. And I'm really liking the sound of this one. Let's see. We'll have to tear it up a little bit here. Gotta love that pick. My friend Lee makes those. Okay, we moved it. Caught it, whatever it is. Let's have a look, shall we? The scoop of the riffles helps catch these targets down in these riffles. If they're small, huh, standing there pretty good. Ah, it was down there pretty good, but it's a chunk of lead. Yep, chunk of lead, very well could have been a nugget, but it wasn't. Well, I dug down a ways. I thought this was going to be shallow, but it's still in the hole. So I figured I better turn the camera on so I wasn't doing another. Well, gee, I wish I would have had the camera on to dig this target. Down pretty deep. Nice mellow sound. Okay, moved it. I'm pinpointing right in between this line and the edge. Let's see what we got. I'm right where I dug that bullet fragment, so could be a piece of that. And I think it is. I see it. No, maybe not. Oh yeah, that was it. Yep, another piece of a bullet. Oh well, back at it. Well, so far nothing but trash today. I have a signal here somewhere. There it is. Nothing but trash today so far. But I just haven't gotten able to get any gold. And I got high regards for this machine. It's pretty amazing. Yeah, I know the naysayers. Oh, you're a dealer. You're just trying to sell machines. Well, you know, I sell enough with machines without lying to anybody. And I'm just trying to inform you, for you guys that hunt gold, you may want to consider this little beast because it's pretty amazing. A lot of these areas I've been hunting so far have been pounded pretty hard. That's a BB. Nice little BB. Been pounded pretty hard. And we're still able to get targets out with this machine and even gold. And I can't wait until it cools off and or I can travel a little bit. That's what I'm waiting on now. But anybody who wants to try this machine, you're welcome to come out and try it. But it's another winner from Minelab. It sure is. And I think this one's going to change the detecting world a little bit. Kind of like the gold monster did. And a lot of people were able to find gold just boom right out of the gate with that gold monster. And my friends, it's going to happen with this one too. This one is very easy to use. Really not that expensive when you consider the price of gold. And all you got to do is get into a spot where there's gold. It's going to do quite well for you. And some people are saying they're not seeing us dig a lot of deep targets. Well, right now I'm right on top of the caliche. You can see it here. Shallow right in here. And I have to go quite a ways to get into the deeper dirt where I've gotten bigger gold in deep dirt. It's just too hot to get back in there right now. In a few weeks, it'll start cooling off a little bit in Arizona. And boy, am I going to have me a time with this thing. Tammy's going to have one, and we're going to go to California in a few weeks here and putter around with Chris Ralph and see how he likes this machine. And until then, I'm just going to keep hunting around here a little bit because I'm just doing okay. I haven't even really counted, but I've got quite a few nuggets now. Over 20. So, yeah, life's good. Well, this is pretty cool. Look right here into this ocotillo. See it? Eggs. I'm not sure, but they might be nighthawk eggs. I know they lay them on top of the ground like that. Looks like two little pebbles laying there. And Mama wasn't here. And I'm going to get out of here so she can come back and sit on them. But that's just really cool, isn't it? Right underneath this ocotillo. I'm going to look these up when I get home and find out for sure what they are, but I'm thinking they're nighthawk. Very cool. You just never know out here. The desert's a magical place and you find some cool stuff. Yeah, those eggs are pretty cool. I'm pretty sure they're nighthawk eggs because I know they lay them right on top of the ground like that. One or two or three of them. I got a target right here. Move this rock. It was laying right here. We got a target right here. I got away from the bird nest. I didn't want to leave this egg out exposed so Mama can come back. Gold's not that important. Critters have a rough time out here. I don't want to make it any rougher on them. Okay. Sounds like we had more than one target here. So, should be a hot rock I'm breaking up. Thought I saw a little piece of screen. And I did. Little piece of screen wire. Thing is, there shouldn't be any targets at all left in there in this shallow ground. And we got something else there. Probably another piece of screen wire, but you know what? We're gonna dig it. Ow! Yeah. Yeah, I see it. Right there. Another piece of that screen wire. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Yes, sirree. I'm still getting a kick out of those bird eggs, just laying right on top of the ground like that. Huh. Just all kinds of cool stuff today. Look at this. Oh. There's all the way to the tail and all the way up to the head, up under the bush there. And that, my friends, is about a 1, 2, 3, 4, probably close to a 5-foot gopher snake skin. They're constrictors, and they do eat rattlesnakes and stuff. That skin's just kind of laying there where he left it, crawled out of it. Hopefully it's good luck. Still no gold today, but continue to be impressed by this machine and what it's finding in these pounded patches. I just can't wait to be able to get out and travel when it cools off. Yep, it's just not worth going way out in the middle of nowhere in this kind of weather and getting trapped. Not good. So I'm just kind of hunting my old patches and I guess we'd say cleaning them up. Anyway, back at it. Look at these guys. Yes, sirree. Haven't seen many ants out this year because of the drought. But boy, these guys are, after that little bit of rain, they're out doing their thing. And I tell you what, you don't want to monkey with these guys. These black ants get up in your pant leg or something. If you can't dance, by golly, you'll learn how when a couple of these get up your pant leg. They bite you, it hurts for like 2 weeks. Whew. Don't want to monkey with them. No, they're pretty peaceful if you don't bother them. But boy, if you make them mad, they're going to get you. And they're going to get you bad. Well, we've gotten deep enough here. I thought I better turn the camera on. Pretty good target. I thought it was trash at first. Might still be, but it's down in this hole a little ways. All right, it's out of the hole. Right in here. Huh. Really? Got it. Okay, let's see what it is we got. Yeah, that was down pretty deep for a piece of lead. Yeah. Oh well. Been a slow day today. Hopefully Greg got something. Getting pretty warm. Humid today because of the rain last night. We got about a quarter inch or so out here, I suppose. Ugh.